bro, welcome to my stream, good to see you here. Right, it's time for some more exploration.
Welcome to Alliance Military
shit.
Database. Classified information requested.
Indeed. Wait a minute. I can't recall if we ever landed here, but let's see for ourselves. Looks dark. Nah, we didn't do it. Cool. I wasn't mistaken. Alright, this is our radius. It's quite big. Good. Judging by the footprints in the ash, the two mercenaries were facing each other over the crate when they died. Both suffered single gunshot wounds and have a rifle close beside them. Matriarch's writings recovered. Prying open the crate, you discover a carefully wrapped, handwritten copy of one of Matriarch's Delenaga's treaties. It is unlikely she penned it herself, but the flowing brushwork and intricate watercolor illustrations clearly show the hand of a master scribe. Medallion recovered. This mercenary was carrying a League of One medallion. There's no indication of how or where he found it. And this one didn't have a jack shit. Oops. My finger slipped. Medallion taken from the second Merc type of point. I can see a base out there somewhere. Warlord's outpost. Yeah, I believe it's this outpost. What, I've damaged the wheel? I mean, a wheel of my Mako? And why the right one? I hit the ground with my left one. Oh, rail extension 7. That's good, actually. It's hard to keep it running straight. Can't see anything here in this corner. Yeah, nothing there. You're drunk. What? What the hell? We've got this ore deposit right outside the map. Holy shit. Go fuck yourself. Yeah, that sounds loud, yeah. Real screamer. How do I... That's the first time I've ever used repair function of this thing. Whew.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Hold on. Hold your horses.
You need to turn back, Commander. You're going beyond the range of the operational area.
Light metal survey. Scans from orbit have detected large deposits of titanium. Hold your marauders. Rex. Well, we gave her a good sniper rifle, but she can't actually use it. Oh, he has yet another point. That was the creepiest situation in this game. Classical screamer. Well, it even occurred while the game decided to load its instance from somewhere out of shit. Even creepier than Liara's sex life. Oh my goodness. From what I understand, she's a virgin. There is an option to ask her. Well, it might not be that, or it might not be true. Because I didn't try this option.
Heading to position.
That's creepy for 100 years old. Rare element surveyed. You have successfully surveyed the deposit of samarium. But she's not even treated as an adult, so... So that might be really creepy. Wait, what? How do we call it? So here we are, ready to storm the building, and we have no access. Well, that's shit. We'll need to make... Wait, I have an option here. We might as well save the game and load it. Probably that'll help. We cannot enter here. We have no mission regarding to that. There's no back entrance, right? None. Perform re-exploration of all the planets to find if there are any ore deposits or something of value beyond the map's borders, because that's just cheap. got lava here. Now be careful, R2. Is this really lava or what? Bonk! But hey, we've made it to the other side. F1 dead. So that drastically decreases our exploration time for this map. It looks like really like vomit. Some vomit with blood. Look at that! It has a solid surface. Point game design. Right, we've been here, so our only option is to go north, and that's it. We've explored the planet. Well, I also left some notes in my notepad that I need to get back to this planet after some time. It could trigger some events, I guess. There's a huge amount of nothing. Let's check, probably there's some object we've missed. Nah, I don't think so. That would be even cheaper. Right, cactus. Thyarter. An enigmatic terrestrial planet, Thyarter has a hazy atmosphere of nitrogen and argon. The surface is scorching hot and mainly composed of calcium with deposits of sodium. 3 times in the last century, ships stopping to discharge at Triarmus have reported geometric patterns of light on the dark side of Sayarter. Attempts at closer investigation proved fruitless. The lights disappear when ships approach the inner system. Orbital distance 2 astronomical units. Orbital period 2.1 Earth years. Radius 5,535 kilometers. Day length 53.8 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.5 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 166 Celsius. Surface gravity 0.7 G. Heavy metal survey. Scans of this planet have revealed a large deposit of mercury. Choe. Choe is a terrestrial planet whose surface is mainly composed of aluminum with numerous deposits of calcium. Though it has enough mass to retain a dense atmosphere, Choe is nearly a vacuum. This lack of atmosphere allows a moderate average temperature, but the differences between day and night are extreme. The surface of Choe's sunward-facing side is unusually covered by haze volatiles, mainly water, vapor and carbon dioxide, which return to the ground as frost over the course of the long cold night. The Sorte Foundation has established a research outpost on Choe to investigate the native subterranean life of Choe, which shows incredible resilience to extremes of heat and cold. Orbital distance 3.78 astronomical units, orbital period 5.4 Earth years, radius 8,000 kilometers, day length 54.5 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure none. Surface temperature 11 Celsius, surface gravity 1 G. Tamari. Tamari is a small airless crater terrestrial, a lifeless rock quite similar to Luna. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of silicates, though one hemisphere has several seas of dark basaltic rock. Orbital period 36.1 Earth years, radius 2,236 kilometers, day length 42.1 Earth hours, no atmosphere, minus 117 Celsius surface temperature, surface gravity 0.19 G. Faringor. A large but low-density terrestrial world, Faringor is generally believed to consist mainly of water ice. Occasional upwelling of metals caused by the interacting tidal forces of several large moons suggests the core is small but extremely dense. Faringor has a thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and ethane. Its frozen surface is mainly composed of dark carbon-laced water ice. 10 years ago, Faringor's green surface color and dim illumination drew the cinematographer Risa Uvarsen to film the exterior scenes of Starless on location. Acknowledged as a masterpiece of Gothic horror, the sets, well preserved by the vacuum, draw hundreds of tourists to the backwater system every year. Orbital period 20.2 astronomical units. Orbital period 69.8 Earth years. Radius 11,129 kilometers. Day length 69.6 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure none. Surface temperature minus 144 Celsius. Hey, how about gravity? Rare element surveyed. Scans of this planet revealed several small deposits of polonium, of clownium. Triarmus is a hydrogen-helium gas giant with a powerful magnetic field, making it a popular discharge site for freighters working the Anansi Ishtar shipping route. It is popular enough, in fact, that quarrying ships can often be found loitering in orbit, selling the freighter crews cheap refreshments, salvage, and odd craftworks assembled by their children. There are no ships in orbit at present, however. Orbital distance 51.8 astronomical units, orbital period 286.7 Earth years, radius 42,211 kilometers, day length 12.8 Earth hours. Of course the gravity is okay, so we won't see any funny floating horror creatures. Saving the game. anomalous signal.
Understood.
What? It's not clear of who owns this container, but you discovered one of Matriarch Dylanaga's writings inside. The fuck? The fuck just happened?
No sense standing around.
Close to the transmitter, your comms pick up a recording of Wistful String Quartet. You power the system down. Whoever lived here, they haven't been back for some time. The crates are covered with chalky dust, and the status light of the shack indicates its atmosphere ran out long ago. Sifting through this pile of debris, you discovered another of Matriarch Dylanaga's writing. It's in bad shape, but most of it is still intact. What, he already gave me money? I didn't even hack it. Money giving machine. Where's the sun anyway? Funny. There's something funny about this plane. Alright, we see something. Is it the science base? It might be it. interesting container near these silos? Well, nothing we can see here. Bam! Take down the terrorists, but remember to check your targets. The civilians are so addled by the drug, they'll wander right into the middle of a firefight. And I know how to check the fire for my teammates, unfortunately. Insane scientist.
Take cover! I'll kill you! I will destroy you! I'm on!
I will destroy you! I will destroy you!
Why can't I give commands to Rex?
Got it!
You cannot stop the future!
Negative contact, Shepard.
I don't know, have we killed any scientists here? Get cover! Most of this battle we just lie down.
Can you feel me growing? I'm gonna bring it all! Where is... Did you see it? It was just here. So beautiful.
It's all so beautiful. Can you see it? They're in my head. All of them. With knives.
Can you feel me growing? I'm gonna bring it all!
Alright, we need to act quickly. One of them is was hit by me or my teammates, and he's suffering from toxic damage.
Hostile spotted. I will destroy you!
What the fuck is that?
I will destroy you!
No, you. We've cleared the facility. All of the civilians are safe. Those still chattering to themselves and screaming at the garbage cans. Evolution of humanity, huh? Those biotics didn't seem that different from the other scum you deal with. Lootable content, please.
If I don't hold still, it will all spill out. And then I won't be me anymore. I won't be me if it all spills out. I have to hold still. It's all so beautiful. Can you see it?
That's some good tech. He merged with the cover. We can't help him now, though we need to evacuate since he is poisoned by the toxic damage of my weapons. Right, let's say it's a success. Also, I can see an orb deposit. Heavy metal survey. You have successfully surveyed a large deposit of mercury. Come on, any experience points? It gave us only one portion of money, but 2 portions of experience point. What's wrong with this planet? 5,000 experience points until we level up. So we achieved like 1,000 here. Another streamer? Come on. Experience points we need. Ah. I don't believe we find anything here. Oh, I'll check just in case. At least we can see a planet out there somewhere. Or is it the moon? I don't understand what I'm seeing on the radar. I can see some anomaly and enemy marks, and there is nothing on the map. So I believe it's just another guess or something else interesting. Whee! It's humanoids. Wee-hee! Well, we had fun. No corpse. This person must have died while attempting to salvage a crashed satellite. Oh, we got some equipment out of this group. Or deposit to our right.
Cover me.
Rare element surveyed. You have successfully surveyed a small deposit of plutonium. Well, that's our radius. Alright, let's go to our mark, and we're done with this place.
Message coming in. Patching it through.
I didn't think it could be done, Commander. You managed to secure the base and neutralize the bionics without a single civilian casualty.
Just doing my job, Admiral. I couldn't let innocent lives be lost.
I wish every soldier had your definition of just doing your job. You're a credit to the uniform, Shepard. We're in your debt. Fifth Fleet out.
With this, we're in your debt. Have you added some interesting sum of money? Right, how many systems are there? 5. We'll explore them all. Maroon Sea. What do we haven't even flew to that star cluster. Well, let's take full stock. Clomarthu has a reduced atmosphere of methane and nitrogen. The surface is hot and mainly composed of sodium with deposits of uranium. In terms of size and orbit, Clomarthu is a virtual twin of Earth, but utterly like life. Orbital period of 1 Earth year, radius 6,228 kilometers. Day length 18.8 Earth hours. Atmospheric pressure 0.9 Earth atmospheres. Surface temperature 95 Celsius. Surface gravity 0.9 G.
Looks like we've got an active distress beacon on the planet below, Commander. No message, just a locator signal.
Nodacroc. Nodacroc is a verdant world with abundant water, temperate climate, a thick nitrogen oxygen atmosphere, and a rich ecosystem. It would seem to be perfect for life. The relatively high percentage of oxygen makes humans feel energized and alive, though it has also allowed insect analogs to grow to frightful sizes. Unfortunately, Nodacrocs in the case of almost not quite, thunderstorms are as common as on Earth, but in Nodacroc's thicker, oxygen-rich atmosphere they definitely spark constant wildfires. More damning, however, are the large and ubiquitous tufts of pollen that float in the high-pressure air. In humans and other oxygen-breathing species, they cause severe or lethal allergic reactions. Orbital period 3.6 Earth years, radius 5,988 kilometers, day length 22.2 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure 2.63 Earth atmospheres, surface temperature 23 Celsius, surface gravity 0.9 G. Alcohol. Geological properties of Alcohol have been scanned from orbit, but little else is known about it. A fairly typical mix of outer system, the rest of rock and ice, Alcohol has a trace atmosphere of krypton and xenon. Its crust is composed of silicates and water ice with deposits of aluminium. Unregistered starship traffic has been recorded in the vicinity of this planet. Travel is not advised. Orbital period 28.7 Earth years, radius 4,949 kilometers, day length 45.2 Earth hours, atmospheric pressure none, surface temperature minus 167 Celsius, surface gravity half G, base age wine time. Yes, Alcohol, right? Potato. A rather small hydrogen-helium gas giant, Potaito's atmosphere contains large quantities of chlorine. Orbital period 110.2 Earth years, radius 16,622 kilometers, day length 18.6 Earth hours. Matriarch's writing recovered. Scans of Potaiton revealed a strange unmanned vessel in orbit around the planet. Tully brought it on board and determined it was SRE made but very old. He discovered several ancient artifacts inside the vessel, including one of Matriarch Yunaga's writing. Mooney, Paragon plus 24. We've got abundant of Paragon points. We're full Paragon now. I thought that there was an achievement for this. Dream Team coming in. What have we here? Science facility, debris and anomaly. I can see the enemy marks this way. Thorian creeper. The textures are not loaded. hard decryption, oh come on. Medium Turing armor. It's not good. We were given 25,000 of credit. Me like it. Whoa, shit! Gold! And gold! Heavy metal surveyed. You have successfully surveyed a large deposit of gold. It's a really high mountain. We've fallen out from this place. The slopes are too steep. Well, we could move south. That's not a bad option. We haven't explored it anyway. This plan looks really good. Really pleasant space. Are we playing Mod Runner now? Metal surveyed. You have successfully surveyed a large deposit of cobalt.
Ready.
That's a radius. I mean that one. Well, that's actually good. Usually it won't take long, I mean longer than we want. Here to study this planet. These rocky mountains are actually not very nice. Some valleys are really cool here, but these rocks are not. Not fun. This is an edge of a map, where the terrain is actually nice. Yeah, I can see deposits right there. Or is... no, it's not a deposit, it's a Thorian creeper. A bunch of them. My ingenious type of driving. My enemy was spooked. Garrus has 1 point. We're giving him stall training or weapon damage or sniper rifle. Sniper rifles, I guess. Although he barely uses them. ready, team. We're about to hit the Thorian creepers. They have a bar here. All the other stations didn't.
Over there. That's the last of them.
I didn't quite notice. Have we got any money or experience points for these guys? Or we just shot them for fun? For fun sounds good as well. I don't like that there is a pollen here, or I don't know what's that. Probably dust. But I don't believe it, I don't get it. We should have stayed with helmets. Sludge container.
Rescuers? Oh, thank God. See? I told you somebody would come to investigate that signal. My name is Dr. Ross, Chief Exogeny Researcher at this facility. We've been trapped in this room for days. We're almost out of food and water. You got here just in time.
I need to know what's going on. Why is this place crawling with Thorian creepers?
How do you know about the Thorian?
I know what Exogeny was up to. I saw what they let the Thorian do to those colonists, so I destroyed it.
Our secret's out then. No point in my lying. You already know the worst. The creepers here were created using altered samples from the specimens on Pharos. We discovered a way to turn them into docile, obedient servants. Everything was going fine until a few days ago. Then all the creepers suddenly went berserk. Only a handful of us made it back into the safety of this room.
Why didn't you send a clear message asking for help? All we had was that signal from the emergency beacon.
This is a closed communications base. Exogeny was worried about someone on the project selling secrets to a rival firm or reporting our work to the authorities. We have no direct communication with the outside, only the emergency beacon. It sends a general distress signal to the Exogeny site on Pharos. They're supposed to send a team to respond inside of 24 hours, but it sounds like they had problems of their own.
Any chance some of the other people at the base might still be alive?
I doubt it. Too many creepers out there. They never stood a chance. We're the only ones left.
Any idea why they turned on you?
Maybe there was still some kind of link between the creepers and the Thorian back on Pharos. The Thorian was unlike any other life form we've ever studied. I can't explain how, but maybe when it died, it somehow set off the creepers here.
I've heard all I need to.
Look, I know what we did here was wrong. I'll admit that. But it's over now. There's no sense reporting this to the authorities, right?
You were in charge of this project. The safety of the staff was your responsibility. They trusted you, and you betrayed that trust.
Be reasonable. I didn't mean for this to happen. Besides, how does it help anyone if I end up in jail? Normally ExoGeni would have my back, but it sounds like they're going to have their hands full cleaning up the mess on Pharos. But I've got money. A nice little emergency fund I set up. It's yours if you let us go.
I can't understand the Paragon here. So the Paragon says wants to send them to jail, but this doesn't make any sense. It's just high quality personnel. What would he want them to do, Pepper Jail?
The victims here deserve justice. I have to take you in.
That's not going to happen. Open fire. Open fire!
Paragon points for that? Leave this group. Kill that one. ExoGeni's second-rate mercs proved no match for a trained Alliance Marine. With the last of the Science crew dead, there is no reason to linger here.
Perimeter clear.
TP overheat. Right, we need to complete the study of this planet, and then we get out of here. So we just killed the highly trained specialist who studied thorium. Easy. I think that we should have just rescued them and let them work on their science stuff.
En route.
But you know, jail is well, somewhat a bit too extreme. As if the alliance consists only of saints. We could have offered them a job for the Alliance, not for the ExoGeni. And how did he know that she was in the head of the project? There was no such information in the logs we hacked back in Exogen on Feros. He can actually read. Insignia recovered. This escape pod is half buried in material that has washed down from the mountains. Though it has obviously been here for centuries, the computer still has power. Linking in with your hard suit, you recover a batch of files containing data on the Thracia colony. It's that crater which we can barely escape from. Yeah, we've studied that area. We've damaged the front right wheel. Okay, only 2 marks and we are headed to Normandy and to sleep. Alright, that's it. With that, thank you everyone for watching. I hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. I wish you nice dreams. We're going to this point of the planet. Yeah, and we evacuate. Let's trade out. I saw that successfully lost is online. Oh, she's playing Stalker. Shadow of Chernobyl. Alright, we're reading now to successfully lost. She's playing Stalker. Shadow of Chernobyl. With that, I thank you again for watching. Hope that you enjoyed as much as I did. Wish you good night, sweet dreams, and please give some love to Successfully Lost, who's playing Stalker's Shadow of Chernobyl. Till next time, everyone. Bye!